To get started, attach the OrCam charger cable to the Type-C outlet on the side of the OrCam Read. Plug the charger into an electrical socket. For the initial charge, be sure to charge to maximum capacity. Leave plugged in for approximately 3 hours. The OrCam Read fully charges in 90 to 120 minutes. Press the power button on the side of the OrCam Read for about 2 seconds. The laser light box will start blinking red. After about 1 minute, you will hear,
OrCam Read is ready, battery is 100% charged.
Note, if you did not hear the phrase, OrCam Read is ready, or you're not sure that the OrCam Read is on, touch the trigger button. If the device is on, you will hear a response. Press the power button once. You will hear,
Suspending, press again to shut down.
Press the power button again. You will hear,
Shutting down, please wait.
just before the unit shuts down, you will hear,
Power off, bye-bye.